Alright guys, so we have a Zuru Max mystery build. It comes in this cool little egg. It says there's 8 to collect. Now I looked on the box and it shows 4 here. But on the box there was a garbage truck. And I'm hoping, well, it was a recycle truck, not a garbage truck. But I'm hoping, because most of these blocks in here are green, that this one is the recycle truck. Because my husband drives a trash truck, a garbage truck. So let's see if we can get this open. Goodness. All right. I watch people open like blind bags and stuff all the time, and they always have a problem with the, like, see, it was stuck on there. It was like glued on. So that really doesn't. Oh my gosh. Oh no, there's another one underneath. Okay. So there's 2 layers of plastic on this. Oh, that one came off nice. Oh, no. I was wrong. It didn't come off. Okay. Good gravy. Okay, so here's our egg. It's kind of cool little egg. It's got a flat bottom, so it sits. Okay. Alright, so here's our stickers, and I see the little recycle symbol, so that means I was right. There's actually quite a few pieces in here. So let's get our instructions out. Okay, so here's everything there is. Looks like there's a couple of planes, a police truck, a fire truck, and a race car. And then a safari truck. It just says 4x4. But here is what our garbage truck. Oh, it says dump truck. Really looks like a recycle truck to me. It also does kind of look like a dump truck. But we have 16 steps. Let's try not to skip any steps this time like I accidentally did on the last build. This looks like wheels and accessories. So I'm just going to set this aside. This looks like the main body. This is 2018 copyright, but I've never seen these before. Unless my grocery store just had them sitting somewhere for the last 7 years. It's possible, I guess. Yeah, there's no copyrights on here, and obviously I destroyed the actual packaging, so. Alright. So it looks like we start with 4 of these, which are these little kind of pyramid pieces. 2 of these 2x2s, and 1 of these 2x8s. So these go upside down. Oop. And then these go next to them. So we have this shape. And then this goes in the middle to attach them all together. Alright, so now we have those pieces all together. And the green goes towards the back. Oh, and then now it says flip it over. And now, uh-oh, we do need pieces from this bag. Alright. Oh no, come back. Okay. So I did see that the tires and rims is the last step. So I'm going to put those over here because those are going to be in the way. So step 2 is these two of these black pieces that have dots and a bar, like a hinge. And then two of these gray pieces. Looks like this is probably where the wheels are gonna go. Oh, it's three of these black pieces, sorry. Okay, so the black pieces go here. And then the gray ones go in front of those. And then the other black one goes in front. Here. Got us here. Now step 3. Looks like we're going to turn this back over. We're going to put the green ones away from us. And we need 2 more of these little pyramids. And they're going to go on top here. Oops. Okay. And then next we need 4 of these. These are interesting. They're 2x2s, but they have like these grooves, or 1x2, sorry, but they have these grooves on them. That's kind of nifty. Those are going to go on the sides here. That's kind of cool looking. It's an interesting texture we haven't seen before in any kind of build. Step 5 is another 2x4. And then these other 2 gray pieces with the little, I don't know what that is, like a little spindle or axle. And these are going to go under the bottom. It shows you do this, and stick this guy on top. But I think it'd be easier just to do it this way. So that's step 5. Step 6 uses the other 2 2x8s. And they're going to go this way. So we're going to use the middle 4 squares, or dots, is going to go on here. And then number 7 is one of these 1x4s. And it's just going to go right under here. So we introduced a new color here. This is like a fluorescent green or safety green. And then step 8, we're going to take this piece and stick it on the front of here. So now we have our 4 axles. And this is probably going to be where our doors go. So that is the end of the front. Now we're going to flip it over. We need these 2 stair step pieces. Oh, these also have some cool texture on them. And then we need 1 of these little goggle pieces. And so we're going to take this part of the stair step and we're going to put it on 1 goggle. And then the other stair step on the other side. So I bet this is our bumper, because this really looks like a bumper. And then it goes under here. Just like that. So that is our bumper. Next, we need our other lime green 1x4. And it goes all the way back here at the back. And then 2 of these little black cylinders. And they're going to go at the front on the corners. There we are. Number 11 is 2 more of these cool looking 1x2s and 2 grates. The grates go on top of the 1x2s. And then the 1x2s are going to go right in front of this lime green piece. Step 12 is 2 of these kind of shoe looking pieces. So it's 2x2 and it's got a nice curve there. And then 2 of these little orange cones and 2 little gray flowers. So these pieces are going to go in front of the little grates we just made. The orange cone goes on the outside front dot, and the flower goes right behind it. I guess they aren't really flowers, but that's what I usually call them. Alright, so that was 12. Now 13 uses 2 2x2s. And then this 2x2 on the bottom, 1x2 on the top, little pyramid. The pyramid goes in between those 2 cones we just put on there. And then these guys go in the front of the, oops, that whole thing just came apart. Okay. These don't stay together very well. Just to be warned, they don't stay together very well. Okay. So here's where we are now. This is step 13. Sorry, I haven't been showing the steps. Step 14 is we're going to put some of the stickers on. Where are my tweezers? Okay, so the recycle sticker, I'm going to try and use these tweezers so that I don't get fingerprints on them because these are clear stickers. The recycle sticker goes on here. And this little striped warning thing goes on here. It's the same shape. Okay, we're going to flip it over and do the same thing again. Alright, and then our grill is going to go on this green piece right here. Thankfully, this one is all one piece, and I don't have to try and line up all those little black dots, or those black lines, or these 2 orange dots. We'll try and get it pretty close to the center. I think that's a pretty good job of getting it in the center. Alright, so now step 15, so that was 14. Step 15 takes 2 more shoes, 2 more goggles, and then 2 orange flowers. thinking we're gonna have some extra pieces here, but so looks like the goggle goes on the back of the shoe. And then the flower goes on the outside corner of both. Ow. And then this is going to go across here and here. Just like that. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of extra pieces here. Now step 16 is the wheels. So our tires are rubber. Then we got our little our rims here. So this is the outside of the rim. Now the tires have the copyright stuff here, and then on this side they just say Max. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the side that just says Max facing the same way as this design. I guess you could do this side has dots, so it just looks like the bolt-on lugs, and then this side has a design. So we're going to do the design to the outside. I'm going to turn these all so they're saying Max. And then we'll just push these in. I'm guessing the reason these have the rims have rims have two different designs, so they probably use the same little rims and the same tires for multiple builds, and so it's easier to just make one, and then people can just turn them whatever direction they want. And these just snap on. Oh, they do turn, sort of. Not very well, but they do turn. Alright, so yeah, it does it does look more like a dump truck because it has the bed than a garbage truck, which would be completely enclosed. But it is still cool. Oh no. Like I said, they don't stay together very well. But here we go. Yeah, it doesn't roll very well, but it does roll. So here is our recycle truck. Alright, so that is Zuru Max. And it's just a mystery build. Here's the other builds. I won't be buying more of these. I don't even think my grocery store has any more. Even if they did, I'm not interested in them. So I just wanted the recycle truck because my husband drives a recycle truck. Or he used to. He doesn't now. Alright, so it's not very playable. There's no glass, so you'll be getting a lot of dirt in your face while you were driving. Oh, I did these backwards. Huh. There we go. I don't think it really matters, but there we go. We'll put some trash in the back here. Yeah. There we go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.